How to transfer your notes to WordPress on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes to WordPress on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings and go down. Here you will find the transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and click next. Now just click this one here, WordPress, and go to posts and click known if you want to transfer only your notes, and then next. Now just connect your Facebook with WordPress, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.